Like the whole store is in boxes. But check this out. I've never seen these in a Dollar Tree. So you guys, me and Khalil are at the Dollar Tree in Newport News, and they have a big sign for the Crafter Square brand. So I'm going to go in here and see what they have. We're on our way to DC, so we're going to do some Dollar Tree crawls, and this will be the first crawl that we do is the Dollar Tree in Newport News. So you guys, this store was so huge. Can you see how big this Valentine's Day section is? I'm going to go through this really fast because I wasn't there shopping for Valentine's Day, but just so you know, they dedicate like 3 aisles to just Valentine's Day. And there were a lot of people shopping in this area once I got over here. And there's a kid in the next aisle who's screaming. So I'm going to try to remember what I wanted to say about this section. Some of this stuff is at all of the Dollar Trees, but for the most part, they had just a good variety of all the things you've seen collectively at all the different stores in this one store. So that was really cool. And so this pot here, I've never seen, but I thought it was really cool. Sometimes you want to plant in a wood planter, but the threat of it rotting out kind of defeats the purpose. But that was a plastic pot that looked like a barrel. These are some cute yard picks that you can put in your yard. I've never seen the llama before. I thought that one was really cute. The butterflies are pretty cute too. They had a decent variety of the fairy garden items. This wasn't the most that I've seen in a Dollar Tree, but it's pretty good size. And then they also had a lot of good varieties of herbs and flowers and vegetables, fruits. And I've used this brand before when gardening, and your mileage will vary on how many of the seeds will actually produce a plant, but I've never had an issue where those packs just did not produce a plant. So I thought this was cool. This is their bath collection, and they have the vinyl shower curtains and liners, but then they have microfiber washcloths, and they were a 4-pack, and they had like themed sayings on them that matched the shower liner, and they had you can see the different sayings that they have, and they were different colors. So they had the towels, and then they also had the matching rugs, which I'm going to show you. Those are the hand towels that go with them. They look kind of picked over, but if you see these in your store, definitely get them. You can see they have the soap dispensers that match the colors, but these are the little bath rugs. So this is something that can be cute for like a dorm room or your first apartment, even a guest bath that you haven't committed to fully decorating. And this all can be thrown in a washing machine, so that's convenient. Okay, so I was really excited about these. This is galvanized steel on MDF, wood board that's made to look like wood. So I grabbed a couple of these to take home. These are some new signs that I haven't seen at the Dollar Tree, and I thought they were really cool. And again, they had that galvanized steel like little sign on it. If you have little girls or little toddlers, these are cute. Little just shelf decorations that they had in there, different animals. And this is another thing that I haven't seen in my Dollar Tree in a long time, were the mini reefs, the 2 packs of mini reefs. I really like these little golden picks. I was gonna pick these up, but then I realized what else was in this area. But I thought the golden eggs are kind of cute. Those are cute for decorating. But what I've been looking for were these unfinished eggs, these unfinished wooden eggs. And they had the egg, the chick, the carrot, and the bunny. So I picked up some of those. And then they also had chalkboard paint. And I have chalkboard vinyl, but for things that I want to paint small sections, I picked up some of that. This amazed me. I couldn't believe I found this in the Dollar Tree. If you guys aren't familiar with Sculpey Clay, This is clay that hardens when you bake it, so you can sculpt whatever you want and turn it into a solid form, and you can actually paint over it. I used this one year for my son's birthday to make Harry Potter wands, and it's flawless. To see this in the Dollar Tree with so many different color varieties, I just couldn't believe it. So I, of course, picked that up. I turn the corner and I see these. These are laser cut and they're different words and designs. Do you see the detail on this? I was flabbergasted. Then on the next aisle, they had a whole row of just laser cut. And what's crazy is this is the Crafter Square brand. You should be seeing this in your Dollar Tree soon. Maybe not this huge variety, but you should be seeing these coming to your store. I bought a bunch of them, and of each design, you get two. The words, the bigger words, there's only three in a pack, but I plan to use these for crafting, DIYs. Like the intricate detail is what makes them so special, and because they are actually in the Dollar Tree and they would cost so much more in a craft store. This is what you would find in Michael's. They caught my eye because they look like real wood, and I've taken them out of the pack now that I'm home, and they're sturdy. You can paint over these, you can Mod Podge with them. You can do different things with these, and they're going to hold up. They're actually sturdy. Seeing this just made me even more excited about what this brand is going to be bringing to the Dollar Tree. I'm excited every time I see the Crafter Square brand in the Dollar Tree. They have the 3 packs of lemons and limes. Dollar Tree sometimes sells individual fruit for $1, so to find a 3 pack is a good deal. They had a huge sticker wall, and it's not just stickers, different types of crafting um, packs. So they had stencils of every kind that you can use, and again, this is all the Crafter Square brand. Um, and then they had some that were like rub-on transfers and bejeweled, and so just different varieties. Some of the stuff you've seen in your Dollar Tree, maybe not again this huge variety. So three-dimensional jeweled stickers that you could apply to things. So if you're using it for scrapbooking or maybe your kid's project, letter making, there's so many uses for these. Um, and then some of these are like look metal, so you can actually add it to decor DIY if you wanted to. There's just so many uses for these types of stickers. They also had in this store just a variety of different types of stickers. So these are board stickers, so chalkboard stickers. This one is wood grain, the other pack is circles that you could stick on a chalkboard. These decorative metal looking stickers are really cool. You see the different variety of stickers here. They look metallic and have funky, cool designs on them. So I picked up a couple of packs of those for some DIYs that I plan to do. But just the variety and the quality of them is what's so cool. These are not your regular paper stickers. They also have these craft boards, and you can punch out the designs that you wanted to use. I have my silhouette machine, so I don't have a use for this, but if you don't have something like that, you might want to look out for these in your Dollar Tree. There was a good variety of this acrylic yarn in different colors. You guys have probably seen these in your Dollar Tree. They've carried these for a couple of years now, off and on. But the Arm& Hammer men's shower gel, there's 3 different scents. So it's like a fresh scent, a cool water, and some other scent that they have. I saw this on Dollar Tree's website, and these are like party chandeliers that are 3-dimensional. You fold them out. So if you're looking to entertain, that's something you might consider. Guys, we're at Dollar Tree number 2. We're in Mechanicsville, and we're gonna see what's in this store. This Dollar Tree was pretty unremarkable. I had high hopes because it was in Mechanicsville and we were away from the Hampton Roads area, but it was all the same stuff that you typically see at a Dollar Tree. I didn't see anything that was remarkable or new. So I'm just showing you a quick overview of like their decor section. Our third Dollar Tree. We're gonna do our last crawl before we go to the Wizards game. Okay, do y'all see the whole store is still in boxes? So I guess they're hiring because they need people to help. Like the whole store is in boxes. Around every corner, there is literally more boxes. Like, what the hell? Why? Why? How can you sell it if it's still in the box? Let's answer that. Oh, okay. I don't get it. I know I've already said this is a hot mess, but why? Just why? Why who needs this many hangers in one store? This is where Dollar Tree supplies go to die. This next crawl is a combination of several stores heading back home, and these are just some finds that you may want to look for in your store. I saw these frames on the Dollar Tree's website, and they're really cute, sturdy. They can stand up on your desk. They are smaller than what I thought, so these would fit those wallet-sized photos or maybe like a memo, a cute little piece of art on them. They have these larger frames that are cute, similar to what I just showed, and they still do fit like the wallet-sized photos though. Now these are some good scissors. If you ever see the Westcott brand of scissors in your Dollar Tree, pick them up. They have different kinds. I use these for crafting all the time. These snack containers are two parts. So the lid separates the two sections. These are good for packing lunches. My son plays sports, so this is convenient to pack away snacks for that. These baskets are like the new spring, summer styles that they have. Dollar Tree's good for getting good baskets in. These are pretty decent sizes, and they come in different shapes, and they have a variety of colors. These planters are really cute. I really like the colors and the design of those. This is a cute sign. Only thing is that those aren't real coffee beans. They're like resin or plastic or whatever. But it's a cute sign if you are like, just love your coffee in the morning. I thought these were cute and different. Never seen these. They had like princess crowns that you can, little mini crowns that you can put on little girls' heads at birthday parties or whatever kind of event you're having. My friend told me about these boxes, and I actually found them in the store. And they come in different sizes and all types of designs. So look for those. Thank you all for watching this video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.